I talked with some equipment. They can do 3 months.
They lied to you because you brought an equipment distributor in. Was it Hips, Speed Queen, Wascomat, American Dryer, Dexter? I know all of them. They saw the MD in front of your name and said, oh, we'll get it up and run. So 3 months, you're going to get your equipment and you're going to have the place running? Do it. I'll sit back and watch. You can be my competition. Happy to watch you do it. They lied.
Huh?
Hey, Doc.
Hi.
Danny D'Angelo, the laundry guy.
What's going?
What's going? Did you get our letter of... I'm never better. I'm not going to be in your office anytime soon. Did you get our letter of intent?
When did you send it?
2 days after we spoke last.
Oh,
you didn't save my number, did you, Doc?
I did not, because...
How dare you!
The laundromat, I don't know what to do with that. All right, 15 years, 2% increase, 1 year from the date of, then $10 per square feet. What does it mean? Okay, 12 months. Oh gosh. So thing is, I'm working on it to the current owner to take my ownership. I'm working with my lawyer to get things in my possession. So let me tell you one thing. So if you want to take it, you want the front and back both space, 3,200 square feet or 2,200 square feet?
The existing coin laundromat.
Yeah, but it has a space on the back if you want to extend it.
Well, I'm not going to extend it because I don't build laundromats. I don't need additional space where people normally put massage chairs or bowling alleys. I don't need that. And that would show me paying for it. You want to include it because you can't really rent it to anybody else. That's fine. But we don't need storage.
No, I can rent it. I can use it for sure.
Great.
At this point, because I did not decide, so that's why I kept it that way. So right now, the main thing is it will be 3,500 rent, or I can give you 2 months for renovation and everything. A bit,
Doctor, I can't even get equipment ordered in 2 months. This is a laundromat. So that's like me saying, and you're an MD. So imagine I said, you know what, I really want to be a doctor. Well, I'll give you 6 months to become a doctor, get your license, and then you can be a doctor. It's laughable. I ask for 12 months of rent abatement because it is a coin laundromat. And when I order, I'm going to be spending $300,000 plus on washers and dryers. We don't intend to run this laundromat the way that it was. So offering me 3 months to get it up and running, that's not why I asked for 12. I'm looking at a 15-year term. I heard you laugh when you read it. You're pretending as though you haven't read it at all yet. If we don't have a deal, we don't have a deal. But I don't fall in love with these places. The fact that the gas, water, and electric is in existence is precisely why I'm reaching out. The offer you're looking at on paper is real. That's what a laundromat can pay. Then it's off your books. You don't have to worry about it. You get actual rent in your hands for the next 15 years. You're collecting over $300,000 in the form of future rent. But 3 months, that's a non-starter. Are you throwing money into this? Are you going to spend any TI?
No, I'm not.
No. Okay. So the way that this works, I don't think that I'm Walmart, nor do I think that you are someone who owns 1 million square feet. But you're telling me that you haven't taken possession of the space. We are only calling you because the for rent sign went back up. You put the sign back up, saying that it is for rent.
No, that is everything fine, and he had the option to renew it, but probably he's not. So I have to wait until, but so he will not.
So that's a tactic to get your current tenant upset.
No, he's not upset. He's voluntarily, he doesn't want to extend it.
Okay, good. So you and I are discussing what is reasonable and commensurate for a laundromat operator, not a nail salon, not a national chain, but a laundromat. So especially if you're not willing or able to spend any TI money, then we need a 12-month abatement period because it is a laundromat. This is not a matter of flipping a switch and running the place. I can't even get the equipment ordered. I'm repeating myself in 3 months. I want you to understand that.
I know. I talked with some equipment. They can do 3 months.
They lied to you because you brought an equipment distributor in. Was it Hips, Speed Queen, Wascomat, American Dryer, Dexter? I know all of them. They saw the MD in front of your name and said, oh, we'll get it up and run. So 3 months, you're going to get your equipment and you're going to have the place running? Do it. I'll sit back and watch. You can be my competition. Happy to watch you do it. They lied.
Okay. Possible.
Guaranteed.
Right. So yeah, I have
you have our letter of intent. So go through it, redline it if you must. You have my cell phone number. I would save it if I were you. My name is Danny D'Angelo. We are serious.
Yeah, I will save it right now. I'll save it right now.
Okay.
I have the letter. I have it is said. So
right. I heard you reading it. And I heard you laugh out loud when you came to 12 months of abatement. That's a real offer on a 15-year term. You want to do 20? We'll do 20. I'm only calling you because we saw the for lease sign go up in the glass and you've ignored our LOI. So if you want to do business, call me and let me know.
Yeah.
Thanks. And Danny hangs up.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.